how does the Irish film industry manage production budgets efficiently? Imagine walking through a film set in Ireland and wondering how they keep everything running smoothly without breaking the bank. Well, the Irish film industry has some clever ways of managing their budgets that keep productions alive and thriving. They get a lot of support from the government, which offers funding and grants. The main agency, Screen Ireland, can cover up to 65% of a film's costs if it qualifies. That means Irish producers don't have to worry as much about every dollar because a big chunk is already covered. Ireland also has a tax credit system called Section 481. This allows filmmakers to reclaim up to 32% of their qualifying expenses. Recently, they increased this to 40% for feature films, making Ireland even more attractive for big productions. There is also a 20% tax credit for unscripted shows like reality TV or documentaries. These incentives cut down the actual money spent out of pocket, encouraging more filmmakers to choose Ireland. To keep costs in check, Irish productions plan their budgets very carefully. They use detailed templates that break down every part of the project. This includes costs for staff, locations, equipment, and post-production. By tracking every line item, producers can see where money is going and make adjustments early. This prevents overspending and keeps the project on track. Another smart move is using local talent and infrastructure. Ireland has a skilled workforce of production coordinators, camera operators, and set designers. Hiring locally reduces costs because they don't need to bring in as many people from abroad. Although space for big studios is limited, the country's scenic locations like castles, coastlines, and historic sites help cut set-building costs. Filming in these natural spots adds authenticity and saves money on constructing elaborate sets. Some regions outside Dublin and Wicklow are also trying to attract more productions by offering extra financial support. While these regional incentives are still being developed, many filmmakers take advantage of Ireland's diverse landscapes. Shooting at places like Kirkcastle or the cliffs of Moher not only saves money but also adds stunning visuals that boost the film's appeal. All these strategies help Ireland stay competitive in the global film scene. When movies and shows are shot here, they showcase Ireland's beauty and culture, which also benefits tourism. Travelers often visit these filming locations, turning their trip into a real-life adventure through Irish history and scenery. In the end, the Irish film industry keeps its budgets in check by combining government support, smart planning, local resources, and beautiful locations. This approach makes Ireland a popular choice for filmmakers and helps keep Irish culture and arts alive on the big and small screens.